guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, hello, I am the real Capxvino. For you guys that don't know who I am, or if you're new here, I create fashion, styling and lifestyle content. In today's video, I am back with another trainer unboxing and review. I did pick up these trainers a few weeks ago, but I just haven't had time to get around and record them for you guys. Since my last video, I have been in the wars again. I know I said in my last video that I had got myself into a bit of an incident during New Year's, but guess what? I got myself into another accident and I've kind of fractured my ankle. With ankle fracturing, there is 3 different levels to it, and I have the level 3 fracture, so it's pretty bad. I can't really walk. I'm kind of always bedbound, but yeah, it is slowly recovering, I suppose, but I'm just one of those people, I cannot stay in bed and not do anything. So I've literally got myself out of bed today, put a bit of makeup on and thought, you know what, I'm going to record a YouTube video, because me doing a sneaker unboxing and a review is just me literally sitting down. So even though my ankle's not being elevated right now, at least I'm sitting down and I don't have to stand on my ankle. But yeah, enough of me waffling on about my ankle. I'm pretty sure you guys just want to see my trainers that I've got. So as you can already see, it is a Jordan 4 that I'm going to be unboxing. As mentioned in the beginning of the video, I did pick these up a few weeks ago and they did release a few weeks ago. Just haven't had time to actually show you guys. So yeah, these are the Air Jordan 4 Thunders. These were literally such a hyped up trainer, everybody wanted them. Even when I got them myself and posted them on my social media, everyone was jealous of me. Literally, I had so many people messaging me I need them trainers, I need them trainers. But I am so happy that I was able to get my hands on these. Obviously, I'm a die-hard Air Jordan 4 fan, so any Jordan 4 that drops, I always have to get them. So let me just get straight into the details with the Air Jordan 4 Thunder. So the whole upper of the trainer is a nubuck leather to give that premium touch to the trainer. Moving on to the front, we have the normal Air Jordan 4 lacing going up. When you get them, the laces are pretty tight, as you can see here. But I'm the type of person that likes loose laces, so I am gonna undo them and make them a bit loose so that I am able to just take them on and off. And also, I just feel it gives more of an edgier look when the laces are looser and the laces are just hanging. Then going around the whole of the trainer, you have this accent of the colour red. It's not your usual OG Nike red, but it's kind of, I want to say it's kind of like pinky red, but the fact that it's not the OG red colour, I actually do adore it, because it just gives it a bit of a more of a vibrant touch to the shoe. So yeah, I'm happy that it's more like a pinky red and not the OG red. A lot of people would have wanted the OG red, but I'm happy at the fact that it kind of has this pinky reddy feel to it. And then on the side walls of the trainer, you have the signature Air Jordan 4 mesh. That's on both sides of the shoe, but also on the front. There's not really a lot to say about the Air Jordan 4, but then to complete the look of the whole shoe, you have the Jumpman branding on the tongue of the shoe, on the back of the shoe, on the sole of the shoe, and then also, you're not going to be able to see it, but also on the insole of the shoe. At the bottom of the shoe, we also have the popular Air Jordan 4 bubble beneath the whole trainer itself. This allows comfort and also air to breathe out the shoe, so that you have a maximum comfort whilst wearing the trainer. For me, this Air Jordan 4 holds a great amount of holy grail in my trainer collection. The fact that I was able to get my hands on these and knowing it was such a hype trainer that a lot of people wanted. I haven't tried them on foot just yet. I've literally just took them out the box and reviewed them for you guys. I will be doing a styling video on how I style all my Jordan 4s, so keep your eyes out for that video. Sizing on Air Jordan 4s, for me, I pretty much feel like they're very true to size. I get all my Air Jordan 4s in a size 4.5 and they fit me perfectly with a little bit of room, because who likes a tight trainer? I doubt anyone likes a tight trainer. But yeah, I got them in a size 4.5 and they fit me amazingly. Resale on these trainers, I'm not 100% sure if they're going to go up in price, but knowing they're quite a grail to most people, I feel like they will rise up in prices, especially if you're a small foot. I got these for £100 from Offspring. Looking at my size now, I'm seeing prices of 200-300, so the fact that they're already at the 300 point, I feel like they could get a bit higher. If you are looking to get yourself a pair of these, I would suggest getting them like now, because you don't want them to like raise in price and they just become mega expensive. That is the end of today's video. I really hope you enjoyed this quick little review and unboxing of the Air Jordan 4 Thunders. Let me know what you think about the Air Jordan 4 Thunders on a whole. If you like them, if you don't, if you've copped them, if you haven't copped them, and if you haven't copped them, why haven't you copped them? And if you are going to cop them, please let me know in the comments. And I'll see you guys in my next video. See you later.